Hi, everyone. Today, we're practicing simple kitchen sentences. Ready? Let's go.
I am entering the kitchen. I am entering the kitchen.
I am washing my hands. I am washing my hands.
I am opening the fridge. I am opening the fridge.
I am taking an apple. I am taking an apple. I am washing the apple. I am washing the apple.
I am cutting the apple. I am cutting the apple. I am putting the apple on a plate. I am putting the apple on a plate. I am making a sandwich. I am making a sandwich.
I am spreading butter.
Yeah.
I am spreading butter.
I am adding cheese. I am adding cheese. I am eating my sandwich. I am eating my sandwich. The sandwich is yummy. The sandwich is yummy.
I am pouring milk. I am pouring milk. I am drinking milk.
I am peeling a banana. I am peeling a banana. I am eating a banana. I am eating a banana.
I am filling a glass with water. I am filling a glass with water. I am drinking water. I am drinking water. I am washing the dishes. I am washing the dishes.
I am drying the dishes. I am drying the dishes.
I am wiping the counter. I am wiping counter. I am throwing the trash away. I am throwing trash away.
The kitchen is clean. The kitchen is clean. Wonderful. You just practiced simple kitchen sentences. Subscribe for more English practice. See you next time.